Riwruog mar jolos mwandu Kenya Association of Manufacturers oyango chenro mar rango kit loso mwandu midendo ni Manufacturing Priority Agenda 2025. Chenro ma kama geto lero yore mag chwalo sekta no e okang' manyime mar neno ni ochumi ma Kenya osudo nyaka tamalo 20 kochopo higa 2030. Moko kuom ajenda ma bende en loko ohala ma piny mangima, tero mwandu e pinje ma oko kaachiel gi chwalo ohelni matindo kaachiel kod pur. Bende gidwaro ni sirikal oket lwasi maber mar choko osuru mar neno ni ochumi ma e Kenya bende piem gi pinje mamoko.
Our contribution is about 7.6, and our assessment is that it might drop to about 6%. But what we really need to address to move this contribution from 7.6 to 20% by 2030, apart from the 4 pillars that I've mentioned, is issues around predictability of the tax and policy space in this country.
I think the tables here on the cost of energy, Kenya ranking on the upper side, there can be no excuse to that. And I think as government, we have to bite the bullet at the right time. The other issue is multiple taxes, especially between counties. You have a distribution company in Thika and has to, so you have to pay across all these counties. So I think at our devolved level, there's serious work to be done.